Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is November the 9th, Thursday morning. So let's get right into it. I got Tesla and Microsoft here on the watch list. Those are the only two stocks that I'm watching this morning. Not really seeing much setups besides these two. So let's get right into it. So as we can see down here on the daily chart, been waiting on this setup for this whole week basically. I'm looking for a break of that 226 level. That's what I was looking for yesterday. Fortunately, as we could see, we had that aggressive sell-off after the open, and that setup did not come to fruition. So didn't take a trade yesterday, Wednesday morning. So I sat cash. There was no setup yesterday as the market pulled back. But really what I'm looking for is just a break of that 226. The market looks pretty bullish this morning, so I'm hoping that Tesla starts to move to the upside. So once we get that push, I'm looking for a break of that 223 level and that 224, and hopefully break that 226. Obviously, like I always say, let the price action set up. We're not just gonna jump into our trade. For Microsoft, as we can see, Microsoft been aggressively bullish, as well as yesterday. I was looking for that break of 366, that all-time high break. That's what I was looking for, but as we can see off the open, we had that aggressive sell-off, so I wasn't able to get that set up as well, and we could see that it's been consolidating sideways. But as we could see in pre-market, looks pretty decent. We broke that yesterday's high, so I'm hoping for a break of that 366 and making that all-time high on Microsoft. That's the gameplay on that. And yeah, this week been very slow. Like I said, I didn't trade on Monday. I had a personal things to handle, so I wasn't on the market. And then Tuesday, we had a small win. The market went against me, so I just exited for a small win, then a loss. And then yesterday, Wednesday morning, there was no trade, so hopefully we get some good trade in today and tomorrow, hopefully before the week is over, because we're only up like $160 this week. So been a very slow week, but at least we're not giving profits back, so that's the bright side of things. But with that being said, I'll see you guys once the market opens. So what I'm looking for on Microsoft is, as we can see, we had a little nice move to the upside. Now it's somewhat consolidating and holding above that VWAP level, but the market been selling off aggressively off the open, so it's not in sync with the market at this moment. So as long as it doesn't give this little nice move ahead, doesn't give it all back, then it's going to be a really nice setup, because once the market finds its support level, it's going to start picking up momentum to the upside. And once it becomes in sync with that momentum, then we should see a really nice move to the upside, a break of these 364 level, as well as that 366 level. So that's really the game plan I'm looking for. On Tesla, it's been selling aggressively as well, so it's not really much of a trade there for me. So that's the game plan I'm really looking for on Microsoft basically. Alright, looks like the market has found its support level. We're getting a aggressive rally to the upside. Now there we go. Now Microsoft is in sync. Just looking for a break of that 364 level. I want to see some buyers coming in. I want to see a little bit more of an aggressive move. There we go. Alright, there we go. Nice. Alright. Don't want to rush into my trade. Just want to give it a little bit more time. Alright. I'm in there 30 contracts at 133. 30 contracts at 133. Looking for a break of that 364 level. And hopefully we make a new all-time high. But if we get a below that VWAP level, definitely taking my loss. Alright, looks like we might be exiting here shortly. There's disgustingly aggressive pullback here on SPY and QQQ. Just aggressively huge pullback, so might be exiting here. I like that it's holding pretty strong above that VWAP level, but the way it's moving on SPY and QQQ does that. Okay. Alright, I'm out of there. 30 contracts at 102. Sadly, we're down $995. What a day, man. What a day. Yeah, that's super aggressive. Super aggressive pullback. Yeah, way too aggressive. So as we can see, this huge pullback. We had a little nice move and huge sell-off, especially on QQQ. As we can see, found support, a really nice run, and this huge pullback. And there goes that huge pullback. So sadly, took an L today. It is what it is. You gonna see me lose some. It's been a tough week this week, honestly. So hopefully we get some of that back tomorrow, and yeah. But as we can see, yeah, it's beginning to sell off at this point. Got out of there, break at that VWAP. Looks like we might be getting below that 362. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and take my loss and walk away. Honestly, it is what it is.